Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street, November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street on 18 November 2021. Okay guys, now we are in Kayu Aya Street. Actually on this video, I make video around 8-minute driving only on Kayu Aya Street. And I will drive in very slow because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area. So you can see how many shops open and how many shops they close and how busy the street. Okay guys, while we continue driving, and if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. And also I will say thank you very much for your support on this channel, because you're already watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so far this area still look very quiet. I mean, there is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. And also there is a lot of shops still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? Even the international airport already open more than 1 month, but Bali still in quiet. Kayu Aya Street is very famous street because in this area there is some nice restaurant, hotel, Seminyak Square, Seminyak Village Mall, and also have art market in this area. So that's why in this area before the pandemic there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But yeah, today you see right side and left side is look very empty. It's very sad, isn't it? Unbelievable how quiet this area today. Actually I make this video around 1 PM, so usually must be really busy in this area. Maybe it is because on Thursday, so that's why there is not so many domestic tourism come to Bali. And as I told you, Bali always busy only on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It's like weekend time. But if you see the weather today, it's so beautiful. It's very blue sky. Yeah, but when very quiet, it's like very sad video. And usually in this area is a lot of car and motorbike parking, because in this area is nearby the central of Seminyak. You see at the front, there is Seminyak Square. If I turn right, there is Seminyak Village Shopping Mall. You see in the right side? Yeah, there is Seminyak Village Shopping Mall. And actually in this area really busy during the day, but we see together today there is no one walk around on the sidewalk. It looks very empty. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. In this area, left side and right side, there is a lot of shop. And also some hotel behind the shop. But yeah, you see right side, there is the shop is closed. This is very sad, isn't it? And at the front, yeah, at the front, left side, there is art market, Seminyak art market, but it's been shut down since the pandemic corona. Yeah, there is a taxi parking there. That's good. I mean, better than nothing. Yeah, in left side area, there is the entrance to go to art market. But when they close, for sure, there's no people there. Left side, the Oberoi, big hotel and very famous. And the next door is Kudeta entrance, also only busy during the night time. Okay guys, we continue driving. I love this area because it's very green. A lot of the big tree around here. The Seminyak resort, left side, there's the big hotel connecting by the beach. You see how quiet this area, just no people around here. It's very sad, isn't it? And also on the right side, there is Wah Wah restaurant. Usually there is lots of people going down there because it's famous restaurant too. But today it looks so empty. I don't know why. This area is so quiet today. Around this area there is not so many souvenir shop. Only big hotel and some villa. In the left side there is a lot of big hotel connecting by the beach, and in the right side there is a lot of villa. Yeah, but again this area is so quiet. Another big resort left side we call Seminyak. It's very beautiful because this resort connecting by the beach, and there is like beach club and very nice to enjoy the sunset down there because it's in the west side. Yeah, that is Seminyak. I've been there a few times on beach club. It was very beautiful there. At the front Seminyak there is a restaurant very famous. Oh, there is some tourists there. That's good. Yeah, that's not so bad, isn't it? That's good. And also at the front, we have Sea Circus Cafe. And usually, Sea Circus is a lot local, domestic tourism come to this cafe and make photo inside because it's so beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street. So what do you think? It looks very quiet, isn't it? You can compare how different the situation today and 2 weeks ago, and then you can find that video on down this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.